this is snow. This is ice. This is just straight up ice. No snow at all. Yo, is that just me? Yo, is that lightning? Oh my god, just lightning. Oh my god. Holy Jesus, holy Jesus. Holy Jesus, dude. Nah, bro, no. No. It's getting ready to thunder, dude. I'm gonna get scared to death. Heck no. Heck no, dude. Oh, shit. I'm scared to death, dude. I'm really covering my ears right now. This is my neighbors. Oh, it just thundered. Thunder and snow, dude. Alright, I gotta end the video. Bye. Dude, this is crazy. Icicles. This is my neighbors. Yeah, but this is not snow. This is ice. It's slush. This is crazy. There's thunder in the middle of snow and ice. Bye.